What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am out here doing some work on the C5 Corvette, getting it ready for Corvette night this Tuesday, 4 to 8 p.m. at Solon Commons Car Show. If any of you guys could make it, I would greatly appreciate it. Myself and our YouTube channel, C5 Corvette, will be there. Right now in today's video, quick video, I am showing you guys how to change out your clutch fluid, very quick and easy to do, something that I use and to do this with, because I do it multiple times throughout the season, is I just use a lotion bottle cap and just simply pump it into a extra bottle. I just got to finish drinking this vitamin water here, but I usually pump it into a small drinking bottle or whatever, water bottle, whatever you got. I use, for my Z06, I use DOT4 as just peace of mind stuff. You could use DOT3 as well, but I just prefer DOT4. This is my third time doing it this season, so mine is not that dirty, but if you guys are doing this for the first time, yours could be a lot dirtier than that. I've got a little bit of sediment down there, as you guys can see, so what I'm going to do is pump out the majority of this into this vitamin water right here bottle, and then I'm going to use a dried up baby wipe just to stick down there and soak up any of the last couple droplets, and then I'm going to use another clean, unused paper towel to wipe up any of that grime that you guys just saw down in there. And make sure you're doing this with gloves as well, because it is brake fluid, and brake fluid is corrosive. You don't want to get it on the paint either, so sometimes I usually lay a towel down right here as well, but I've done this so many times I don't need to. I'm very careful with my hands now and what I'm doing, but just for some peace of mind, if you don't want to get brake fluid on your paint because it is corrosive, make sure you're putting a towel down right here and wearing gloves. And if you don't, make sure you wash your hands directly after you get done with this job, even if you don't feel like you got anything on your hands. So I'm going to finish off with putting this paper towel down in there, wiping it clean, and then refilling it with the brake fluid. I know some people will recommend that you pump the clutch as well when you're doing this, before and after. I typically don't do that because this is my third time doing this. I've already cycled this brake fluid a few times already, so I'm just doing it one more time for the maintenance and to get it ready for the car show on Tuesday. One more thing we got to finish doing is putting this front filler on. We got done putting our new DRLs in earlier this season and our new Z06 screens, but we have to finish cutting out this center section here for this front bumper, putting in our front bumper screen inlay there just to get some more airflow in there, even though we really don't need it, but it will create and finish the look of this front bumper. So if any of you guys can make it to the car show, I would greatly appreciate it. I will see you guys next Tuesday, 4 to 8 p.m. Solon Commons Car Show, Corvette night. Peace.